If you need to pay for Calendly, upgrade your plan, or add paid seats to your account, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step so you can update your subscription quickly and avoid any confusion. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Calendly account using the browser on your computer. Once you're inside your dashboard, look toward the top right area of the screen and click your profile picture. This is where Calendly keeps your account and admin options, so it's the first place you want to go when managing billing. After that, from the menu that appears, select Admin Center. The Admin Center is where Calendly organizes team settings, account controls, and subscription management. If you're on a personal account, you may still see billing-related settings in a similar place, but for team and business accounts, this is the main area you'll use. Inside the Admin Center, find and click Billing. This section is where you can review your current plan, check what's included, and make changes to your subscription. If your goal is to start paying for Calendly or move to a higher tier plan, this is the page that matters most. Now look for the option that says Change Plan or Upgrade. Calendly may show one or the other depending on your current account setup. Click the option that best matches what you want to do. If you're currently on a free plan, upgrading will let you unlock paid features. If you're already on a paid plan, changing the plan can help you switch to a different tier that better fits your needs. Next, Calendly will show you the available paid plans. Take a moment to review the features, limits, and pricing for each one. This is important because different plans may include more event types, advanced scheduling options, integrations, or team features. Choose the paid plan that matches your workflow and your budget. If you're managing a team, you may also need to add seats to your subscription. A seat usually means one paid user or team member who needs access under the same billing account. Add the number of seats you need so everyone on your team is covered. Make sure you double check this part because the number of seats can affect your total monthly or yearly cost. At this point, you'll also want to choose your billing cycle. Calendly may give you monthly or annual billing options depending on the plan. Monthly billing is more flexible, while annual billing can sometimes offer better value if you're ready to commit long term. Select the option that works best for your business or personal use. Once you've chosen your plan, seats, and billing cycle, Calendly will ask for your billing and payment details. Enter your payment information carefully, including your card details and billing address if required. Make sure everything is accurate so the payment can go through without any issues. If you already have a payment method saved, you may only need to confirm it instead of entering everything again. Before finalizing the purchase, review the subscription summary one more time. Check the plan name, number of seats, billing cycle, and total amount. This is your chance to catch any mistakes before you're charged. It only takes a few seconds, but it can save you from paying for the wrong plan or extra seats you don't need. When everything looks correct, click subscribe or confirm purchase. Calendly will process the payment and activate your selected paid plan. Once that's done, your account should immediately reflect the new subscription and you'll be able to use the paid features right away. And that's it. You've now learned how to pay for Calendly, upgrade your subscription, and confirm your billing settings step by step. If this tutorial made the process easier, please give the video a like and subscribe for more practical software tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.